everyone, and welcome to Event 1 of SMG Winter Special. We are back after Season 7 of SMG, and we have quite a few changes and new teams in this. But we start off with the example run here in Event 1, Snowball throwing. The SEAL squad will be demonstrating today, and you hear a cheer from the crowd. So how this event works is the distance of the snowball is multiplied by the distance of the marble on the jump, and then multiply those two together, they get the total score. So that would be a 352 as the score, but we start off with the Red-Nosed Reindeer, our host for this winter-themed league, and it's the 363. A 22 times a 16.5 is a solid score, it looks like. They sent out Vixen, the reserve. But let's start off with another new team, the Velvet Voltage. We're placing the Lava Leopards. It will be a great snowball score, a 21.5, and a spark gets a 16.5, but it's only good enough for P2. Next up, we have the Fruity Flavors in their brand new uniforms, a 21.5 and a 16. A bit disappointing. It's only a 344. Did not seem like the best jump from Mango. Next up, we have the Toxic Tubes, another one of those new teams, and it burst reserve going with a 21.0 from the Snowball and a 16.5 to 347. They just seem to go straight ahead instead of curving to the left or right like some of the other teams did. Now the Riptide Rapids, the winners of a previous winter league in one of the unrecorded seasons, but it's only a 316, a terrible score from the Rapids. What happened there? Next up, we have the Blue Crabs in a new uniform. Crab only gets a 16, and it goes into P3 out of 6, but that's just barely getting the 350 mark. But there was quite a bit of bouncing on that one. Next up, Team Mariana from TBN. And it goes into P1 at 366. Let's see in the replay. A 21.5 from the Snowball, and a great score by Deep, the captain. A 17. They're proving why they got invited to this comp. And now we have the Nether Portals. And they go in the P8. Disappointing, one of the seems to be fan favorites when they got announced, and it's only a 15 and a 21. Next up, the Stonewall Sentinels. The winners of the fan vote. They were voted in by the fans. They will get third place out of 9 runs so far. Chocolate Candy's your Season 7 champions. If you have not seen SMG, it's a 22 from the Snowball, the great time, and then a Chocolate gets a 15.5, which drags their total down quite a bit. They seem to be focusing on the throwing part, but not the landing. Now the Mysterious Moose, SMG Season 6 champions. Another run with a 22 from the Snowball, and a 17 flat from Goes. Puts them in first place. With only a few runs to go, the Mysterious Moose are definitely going to get a top half here. Now the Penguin Pack, they've done pretty good in these jumping events, but it's only P6 out of 12. Penguin gets a 16. A disappointing result right there. Now, with only 4 runs left, what can the Frozen Flyers do? They seem to go way off the screen. It goes in the P1, 17.5 from the reserve Finch. A great score by the Frozen Flyer. They just recently announced retirement. This was going to be their final send-off here in this Winter League, and they're proving why they deserve to be in Marble Sports. The Silent Snowflakes, rebranded Snowflakes team. Coach Whisper is the new coach, but all the members are the same. Avalanche only gets a 15.5 and it goes in the 12th place. Now, that means quite a few teams at the top of the order are guaranteed medals. The Winter Winds, a previous example run team, have stepped up to become an actual team for this league. And it's only a 330, a 22, and an abysmal 15. Of one round to go, it's the Ghostbusters, Season 5 SMG champions. They won in the previous Winter League and it's only 10th place. A 21.5 and a 16 flat is not a great score from the Ghostbusters, but that means the Frozen Flyers have won gold in the first event of SMG Winter Special. Mysterious Moose will get the silver, and the newcomers from TBN will get the bronze. All of these teams happy to be on the podium, and obviously the standings are the same as the overall standings of this event, and I'll see you for event 2.